Hi there. Welcome to Diamond Painting with Dee. I'm Dee and I'm so glad you joined me today. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to look at a couple of diamond paintings that I got from Temu. Temu is such a great place to get budget-friendly diamond paintings, and I take full advantage of that. So the first one we're going to look at today is a off-canvas Christmas related painting. The off-canvas ones are fun to do. If I can get this out of the box for you. You see, this is a little holiday shop. You have the Christmas trees on the side and the gifts in the windows. Most of what I found online were gingerbread houses and stuff like that. And I liked this one because it was a little bit different. It was a holiday shop. And I just thought that it really was reminiscent of the old-fashioned Christmases, walking down the village main street, going into all the shops. So this comes with the acrylic off-canvas base that you're going to paint on. It's all crystals. Of course, it comes with your basic tray and plate of wax and diamond painting pen. And then the base to put it all together. Once you're finished painting it, the base just fits right in there. It slides right in, and then it stands up. You can see. But let's look at the colors that this comes with. You have all your holiday colors. I can get this open too. I know it's only the beginning of November, but everything's getting ready for Christmas already. Look how shiny these are. This is just gonna sparkle like crazy. I love the diamond paintings that are crystals. Do you enjoy doing the off-canvas paintings, or do you just like to stick to the regular canvas paintings? I forgot to welcome you for my returning viewers. I'm so glad that you're here. And if you're new here, I hope that you stop by again, that you enjoy what you see. I would ask that you leave a message down below in the comment section letting me know what you'd like to see on this channel so that I can provide content that you find enjoyable. I know some people don't like jumping ahead to Christmas before we've had Thanksgiving, and I can understand that. I enjoy Thanksgiving. It's one of my favorite holidays. But in order to get these paintings in your home and ready for the holidays, you got to work on them beforehand. So I'm probably going to start this one today just to have it ready to put up in my home. So let me put this one back in the box. And then I have another one from Temu that I'm going to show you. And it's not holiday related. It's really not related to any particular theme. I just thought that it was really pretty, so I went ahead and got it. So that's that for the off-canvas Christmas shop. And the next one we're going to look at is again from Temu, and it's the Tree of Life, which is a very common theme. I see that in a lot of different sellers that have that. Some of the more expensive ones, some of the, I can't find where it's open. Some of the more expensive ones, some of the budget-friendly ones. I decided to go with a budget-friendly one. I haven't looked at this yet, so we'll see how it looks. It is a little difficult to open up. Seems like it's all taped up. There we go. Oh, the cover has come off of this the way they had that in there, so I have to make sure that that's smoothed out and hopefully it remains sticky. So this one is a 30 by 30. And there's the Tree of Life. It looks like it's pretty clear. Doesn't look like it's muddied up at all. I think that should come out nice. It has 19 colors, so there's not a whole lot of color variation there, but enough for a 30 by 30. I think that this was just a beautiful painting when I saw it online, and I wanted to get it and try it out. As I mentioned, I did look at a few others, but decided to go with the Temu version. The Tree of Life is something that you kind of see all over. We have a casino not far from where I live that has a Tree of Life in their lobby. It's a great big glass monument, and it looks like it took a lot of work to make. And this is the version that I got from Temu. Let's take a look at the colors that this comes with. I can already see different shades of, that looks like a purple and a light pink. Got some grays and greens. So there is some color variation in here. It's so subtle that you don't really notice it looking at it, but looking at the colors of the drills, there are going to be quite a few color variations here. And there's some peach and some browns. And you got the dark colors for the background. This is going to be quite pretty when it's done. Oops, I could see where they put the wrong color drill in that packet. And there's a few wrong color drills in that packet as well, which is something you do need to watch for when you're doing the budget friendlies especially. Sometimes there are mistakes. I usually end up with a tray full of junk drills once I'm done working on a canvas. I've never run out of drills. I've heard that some people have run out of drills. I've never had so many junk drills that I didn't have plenty to finish the canvas. What's your experience with that? Have you had an issue with running out of drills that you needed to complete the project? I do save my old drill, so if that was a problem, at least I would have something to complete the project. So I do want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed what I had to show you. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, hit that bell so that you receive notifications when I put up new videos. I hope to see you back here with me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.